Okay, Pixel 8 and 8 Pro are the next big thing for Google, coming in a few hours, which is crazy. I also have made already 2 videos on the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro exclusively, and they have every details. You can check out them. I will link down below. So this video is gonna be great if you're watching it before the event. After the event, it doesn't make sense. Don't comment something nasty. If you don't know about the leak community, don't really watch it. Anyway, this is the first time we are seeing the Pixel 8 Pro in the bay color. Now, I've already talked about that in the past video, that there is not going to be a sky blue color, but rather it will be called bay. But that's not the point. The point is, it's a blue color and it's a matte color, and it looks super duper awesome. And not only that, we also have kind of an unboxing video. I mean, unboxing what unboxing? Nowadays, unboxing is nothing. Now, the packaging looks very similar, like the same kind of thing, the same cables and stuff like that, no adapter, nothing like that. But one thing is clearly visible is that these two phones look super duper cool. But also we can see that Pixel 8 Pro will come with a matte colors, as I said in the last video, and the Pixel 8 will come with only glossy finishes. And the color options are also totally different. The Pixel 8 Pro will come with this bay color, they're going to be obsidian, and then they're going to be a porcelain color. It's just a mix of the titanium color and the gold color. This is my personal favorite color. Now we can also see the most iconic thing of any Pixel devices nowadays, the camera bar, which houses 3 cameras for the Pixel 8 Pro and 2 for the Pixel 8. Both of them will come with a 50 megapixel wide camera, 1.2 micrometer size pixels, f1.68 aperture, 1/3.1 inch sensor. So it's not actually the GN2 sensor that people were hoping, but it's actually the GN1. And then there's going to be 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera for the Pixel 8, similar to the Pixel 7, whereas the Pixel 8 Pro is getting a big upgrade. 48 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with autofocus and f1.95 aperture with 0.8 micrometer size pixels. And both of these are 125.8 degree field of view. That's literally really wide. Now we do also allow these two devices to have macro focus, I mean like macro mode. And then there is the exclusive camera for the Pixel 8 Pro. It's still going to be a 48 megapixel 5x zoom camera, which will also allow you to capture 30x super rich zoom. For the Pixel 8, it will be 8x only. Now, one thing is also coming to the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro is sensor cropping that will allow you to have a 2x lossless crop, but at 12 megapixels. And if you want to know more about the other specs of the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro and every single thing, then definitely watch the other videos. As for the other things, the Pixel 8 will come with a 6.2 inch screen and the Pixel 8 Pro will come with a 6.7 inch screen. Both of them are 20:9 aspect ratio displays, and the Pixel 8 Pro have high resolution and adaptive 120Hz display, which can switch between 1 to 120Hz, whereas the Pixel 8 will be 60 to 120Hz. There is also a big difference in the brightness department, 2400 nits of peak brightness for the Pixel 8 Pro and only 2000 nits, which is still crazy, on the Pixel 8. In terms of battery, the Pixel 8 will have 4575 mAh battery, the Pixel 8 Pro will have 5050 mAh battery. Both of them will also support 30-watt PD charging, but there are also differences. In terms of storage and RAM, 8GB standard on the Pixel 8, 12GB standard on the Pixel 8 Pro. Both of them come with 128 256 UFS 3.1, but the Pixel 8 Pro will have another 512GB storage for the rest of the world and gonna have another 1TB storage, but exclusively for the US market. Both of these devices will also be powered by the Tensor G3 chip. If you want to know more about the Tensor G3, the benchmarks and everything that are leaked, then definitely check out my recent video on that. And can you see the thin symmetrical bezels on the Pixel 8 Pro? It's so futuristic. And the same thing will also come to the Pixel 8 though. It's not going to be as ugly bezels as the Pixel 7. Okay, so that's totally about it. And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website. A link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.